Welcome to High Tea with Grace, where we spill the tea on HIT. I'm here live at the Civitas conference, and I'm so excited to chat with my very dear friend over here. So tell me a little bit about yourself, who you work with, and what you do.
Yeah, Pooja Babbrah. I'm the Executive Vice President of Strategy and Industry Alignment with NCPDP. So NCPDP is the Standards Development Organization, similar to HL7, and mainly focused on pharmacy standards.
Fantastic. So tell me a little bit about the trends you're hearing in the space.
Yeah, absolutely. So for me, I think the big thing is, all this talk about clinical data exchange here. We need to be thinking about the pharmacist. So I was in a couple sessions where they're talking about, getting medication history data and doing med rec. And my question out there is, do the pharmacists, where are you getting your data, first of all? So luckily people are using standards to get their data, but then are pharmacists able to access the data as well? Because we've got pharmacists who are doing clinical services. So I think that's what I'm starting to talk to people about. And so it's nice because every time I have the conversation, they're like, yeah, we do need to pull pharmacists in. So
it does seem like a no-brainer.
It does seem like that,
if they're operating at the top of their license, really are clinicians and they're providers and providing a critical need. Providing a critical care and need to people in their communities.
Exactly.
So, in the next 3 to 5 years, as you're thinking about the future of interoperability in this space, like what do you hope to see?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing is not forgetting that pharmacists, should be able to access data, but also share data back. And so, as HIEs and folks that are doing the data exchange are thinking about, who do they need to get connected or different use cases, always remember that pharmacists can be part of the care team as well, especially as we start to see shortages with primary care physicians. There's a lot of talk about the rural, the funding that just came out, and pharmacists can play a big role. So I'd like people to keep that in mind.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely.